So I got a $48 two BJ's customers. One at 7 Waters, 24 pack Olympian Brisk High Tea, and some other stuff. So I've already taken 4 up. I got the Pampers and detergent and 3 more waters to go up. Had you upstairs, boy. Boy, I'm huffing puffing, boy. 6 items, 12 units. I knocked on the door, get set to meet the person. Oh, great. Here's the second one. Call this number once arrive outside the building. We'll need to deliver up the stairs. Let's go. So yeah, the second order has 18 items, 22 units. The biggest concern I have, which is not a concern, I got everything in box, but it's those 2 big old bags of 25-pound rice. Other than that, everything else is in box, 3 boxes. So I ain't stretching that, but when I'm sweating. But you know, beats working over 3 hours to make the same thing. So I take this over you know, being stuck at somebody's job or whatever. Let's go. All right, guys, not too many orders today, just did 2. It's nighttime, it's just 6:39. In 2 hours and 32 minutes active time, I was able to do 81.47. The first order was 18.41, and the second one was 63.06. So, you know, not too bad for 2.5 hours of work. Could be better, but we still got the apps on, and we'll see what else we get. Morning, guys. It's 8:28. I just completed 2 orders for $52.79. One seemed to be a get the finger out of the way. One was looked like a flat rate, $30 tip, and then the other one was $5.02, and the total miles was about, I think, 15 to 18 miles. And I completed it in 1 hour, 11 minutes for 39 items, 48 units. So it's a good start to the morning. And let's see what else we get. All right, guys, it's 12:26. The first order that we had done in the morning, the tip was increased from 30 to 35. So that one ended up $57.79. And then the second one we completed at 10. Was for $38.07, $14.13 tip. And then I just completed one for $26.90 from you see, from $4 tip. It went to they added $13 because I let them know that where it was coming from, and it's going based on your percentage and everything. So they actually increased the tip within like 2-3 minutes to $13 from $4. So that one, instead of 26, came out to $35.90. And I explained to them the only reason I took your order was because my wife, right here, has an order that was going in the same direction. So now we're gonna drop hers off. It should be a target for $31, something like that.
And she said she would increase it.
And she said she would increase it?
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, so sometimes it depends how you word things, or you gotta read the vibes, but you know, you can let people know, you know, like educate them in a nice way, you know, tell them, hey, look, you know, it was only a $4 tip, and you know, this is why the order was sitting there for X amount of time, and it works for us. you know. And I'm pretty sure our tips go up and we get good ratings, you know. But it's just how you tell them, you know. So we'll get back to you when we deliver her order.
Hey guys, we're back. So I just completed our order, the last order that brought us to the Keys, and the order was originally for 31, I believe, and some change, but I had to do a refund on an item that had 2 things, and I communicated with her that, you know, I was coming from far away, and that every time we refund, it decreases the tip. So being that she replaced the item with something else, it just wasn't enough. So the order, I believe, went down to $29.92, and then I got a $10 tip in cash. So made up something.
And then he asked, he's like, do you guys have another delivery coming over here? I was about to say, none of your business.
Yes,
but
he was like, so you guys came all the way over here for the one delivery? And in my head, I'm like, well, you guys kind of know there's no Targets down here. But where do you think it's coming from?
Santa.
But we make it work. Right, Mimo?
Mimo.
All right, so we'll be back later.